Hello everyone, welcome back to Super Kalam. I am your teacher and mentor Arpita Sharma, and today I am going to help you understand how to deal with art and culture previous year questions की मदद से. Now we are going to use previous year questions from two perspectives, analyzing the smart tricks that we can use while solving art and culture related questions and what should be our approach when it comes to art and culture. देखो व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट स्पेसिफिकली आर्ट एंड कल्चर यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट 8 मार्क्स प्रीलिम्स में आप इजीली एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो 8 नंबर यहाँ से एंड व्हेन आई से 8 मार्क्स इवन 1 मार्क इज इंपॉर्टेंट वी कांट टेक 8 मार्क लाइटली राइट बट there are important aspects of art and culture which I want all of you to focus on today. Before we start this very important session, i want to I want you all to write down some important facts. First is the sources that you should utilize. आप क्लास 11 से 12th की एनसीईआरटीज पढ़ते हो राइट यू स्टडी द एनसीईआरटीज ऑफ क्लास 11 to 12 these are important. Secondly, you study the current affairs diligently, that is also important. I'll show you an example of that. This particular image was in the Hindu newspaper yesterday about the Badagas tribe of the Nilgiris who were celebrating the Jadai Swami festival. Now this is important. There it is important from two perspectives in art and culture. First, this festival Jadai Swami festival and the tribe Badagas, and I gave this mind map on our Telegram community. You can also join our Telegram community which is given in the description box of this video. Do join the community so that you can save and revise these mind maps, important mind maps for prelims. Okay, now here if you see the Badagas, these are the indigenous tribe. They are found in Tamil Nadu, in Kerala, and they are the largest community in the Nilgiris, so that is also important. Second important aspect is this Jadai Swami festival, which is celebrated by the Badagas. Here, there's a very peculiar and very, you can say a unique kind of performance which is done, which is fire walk, which is done every year. तो ये काफी important aspects हैं art and culture के जो current affairs से उठाए जाते हैं. And that is why I told you studying the current affairs is very important on a day-to-day basis. All right, let's get started. Now I have divided the entire paper into techniques. For example, elimination method, looking for extremes, old is gold rule, which means repeating theme. Then the keyword match trick, the reverse engineering which we are going to do in the class, and solve PYQs. Don't just read how to implement this technique. We are going to discuss that also. Then we are going to understand three kinds of questions which are asked: conceptual, factual, and applied, which we do in every class. In the polity PYQ class also, we applied this method. Starting with the elimination method. Now, before we start this session, I hope that you all know that on Super Kalam, when you go to Super Kalam, you have over here the practice PYQ tool, which is free for everyone. You click on practice PYQ and you can practice PYQs year wise, subject wise, and topic or concept wise. You can check your accuracy over here. We will solve that too, don't worry. But let's get started. When we talk about the first method that we are going to deal with is elimination method. अब देखो ये बहुत ही ज्यादा फेमस और फेवरेट मेथड है एस्पिरेंट्स का, बट the usage of elimination method has been decreasing. The questions have been formed in such a way that elimination method का usage decrease हो रहा है आजकल. But still we can see that how there are different tricks through which we can use this method. For example, we have picked up a question from prelims 2023. With reference to ancient Indian history, consider the following pairs. Now here this is a trick question, so I want all of you to pay very extreme attention. Okay, literary work is given and author's name is given, and they are asking you, look at the question that they are asking, how many of the above pairs are correctly matched. यानी कि इसमें you cannot identify कि which one is correctly matched, you have to tell them how many. That means that your factual understanding should be very strong. But how can factual understanding be strong if this question has not been taken from a particular source, right? अब कैसे पता लगाएं? Plus, to remember this kind of information is also hard, right? So let us use elimination method over here. Now the trick to eliminate obviously wrong options first is the trick that we will use here. जो wrong option है सबसे पहले उसको हटा देंगे, then we will go to the correct answer, right? But Here, there are different pairs which have been given. Now, how to be sure that we are eliminating the wrong option? Let us solve this question step by step. First of all, let me help you understand each option very nicely. ठीक है? When we talk about the Devi Chandram Gupta, यहाँ पर हम एक ऐसे नोट बनाएंगे. So when we talk about Devi Chandra Gupta and author is Bilhana, now here correct author, this is correct. First option is correct or not? No, it is not correct. Why? Because Devi Chandra Gupta is a Sanskrit play which is written by, it is a, write it down, Sanskrit, it is a Sanskrit play and it is not written by Bilhana. So who has written it? It has been written by, write it down, Vishaka Datta. It has been written by Vishaka Datta, not Bilhana. And this play talks about heroic deeds of Chandragupta, how he rescued his elder brother's wife from Shaka ruler. So that is why first pair is incorrect. Pehla pair incorrect ho gaya. That means answer cannot be all four. D is eliminated. Okay. Now the next important point. Second pair के पास जाते हैं. Let's go to the second pair. Hamira Mahakavya Nyaya Chandra Suri. Now here this option is correct. Why this pair is correct? Why? Because Hamira Mahakavya, it is a, write it down, 15th century Sanskrit epic poem. It is a 15th century Sanskrit poem and it is written by the Jain scholar. Write it down. It is written by the Jain scholar whose name is Nyaya Chandra Suri. Nyaya Chandra Suri. Nyaya Chandra Suri ने इसको लिखा है. And it's a very legendary biography of Chahamana King Hamira of the 13th century. So this option is correct. Okay. Now if this is correct, only one यहाँ पर correct हो गया है. अब आगे बढ़ते हैं. मिलिंदा पानहा एंड नागार्जुना. नाउ दिस ऑप्शन इज इनकरेक्ट. ये ऑप्शन आपका इनकरेक्ट होता है. व्हाई इट इज इनकरेक्ट? बिकॉज मिलिंद पाहना, basically the questions of Milinda, it is a text which contains dialogues between a Buddhist monk and King Milinda and it is not Nagarjuna. ठीक है, it is not authored by Nagarjuna, it is written in Pali language. Author अभी इसका identified नहीं है, so this is wrong. Okay, so basically it's a conversation between a Buddhist monk and King Milinda. Now आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now we have the Niti Vakya Mrita and Somadev Suri. Now this particular pair is correct. ये आपका correct pair है यहाँ पर, because when we talk about this pair we will see that Somadev Suri was a Jain monk and scholar. So this is again correct. So correct option would be only 2. यहाँ पर भी आपका यहाँ पर correct answer हो जाएगा. Only 2 is correct. Now how did we arrive to this particular aspect? Because first our factual hold on this topic was correct, and secondly we used because of the factual hold we used the elimination technique to eliminate the wrong options. हमने यहाँ पर 2 options eliminate कर दिए. तो इसका मतलब ये है, जब हमने 2 options eliminate कर दिए तो हम correct answer पे पहुंच सकते हैं. Only 3 तो नहीं हो पाएगा, है ना. And when we have marked fourth option also correct, तो only 1 भी नहीं होगा. Now here the question is how to solve these kind of questions. इसके source क्या हैं? From where we can extract this kind of topic, right? कहाँ से इसको पढ़ सकते हैं? What is the source? So basically the source is, ये एक बार the Hindu newspaper में aspect आया था. It was about Devi Chandragupta, right? एक फेथ का पेज होता है इन द हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर. देयर इज अ बॉक्स वेयर द क्रॉसवर्ड कम्स, जहाँ पर क्रॉसवर्ड आता है ना, पजल, उसी के साइड में देयर इज अ बॉक्स ऑफ फेथ and there are different kind of devotees, different kind of plays, different kind of narrations of different periods in history which is depicted, right? तो वहां पर देवी चंद्रगुप्ता के बारे में एक बार एक बॉक्स आया था and that is why we expected this particular question, we saw this particular question. So you have to have a keen eye on these kind of articles from Indian Express or the Hindu newspaper that you are reading. Ignore नहीं करना है हमको, ठीक है. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now the next technique is looking for extremes. I have always told our students that the words only, or that the words, let's say one of the, yesterday in the polity class also we studied this, one of the, ठीक है, liberal democracy वाला question था, and there was a question on constitutional government also, जहाँ पर one of the and the word chief was mentioned. That was a trick, that was a trap, राइट? तो ऐसे क्वेश्चन में, एक्सट्रीम क्वेश्चन में हमें काफी केयरफुल रहना पड़ता है. वी हैव टू बी कॉशियस ऑफ एक्सट्रीम वर्ड्स अनलेस इट्स अ वेरी डेफिनेट फंडामेंटल प्रिंसिपल. ऑलराइट, अब अगर हम इसमें क्वेश्चन की बात करें, souls are not, what is written, not the property, not the only property, the word is only property of animal and plant life, but also of rocks, running water, many other natural objects not looked on as living by other religious sects. The above statement reflects, now there, here you can see it is highlighted, one of the core beliefs of which one of the following religious sects of ancient India. Correct answer, बहुत ही easy है यहाँ identify करना, it is B, that is Jainism. So why it is correct? देखो, when we talk about Jainism, we have studied this a lot of times in Jainism. हमने Jainism में ये काफी बार पढ़ा होगा that Jainism is based on basic tenets. Tenets means principles. Okay. First, they believe in universal soul. Write it down. They believe in universal souls. That means soul, that is the jiva. Soul का मतलब क्या होता है? जीवा. It exists not just in animals and plants but also in inanimate objects. Inanimate objects are rocks, running water, right? So what is jiva? Jiva means any living being. Write it down. Jiva means in Jainism any living being or entity which contains a soul regardless of its physical form. When we say regardless of physical forms, rocks will also be counted there. Then there is second principle or tenet in Jainism which is known as Anekantavada. Anekantavada, which means multiplicity of views. That means it emphasizes or focuses on different perspectives. Every perspective should be respected. Then third is ahimsa. Ahimsa means non-violence. Then we have उसके बाद आ जाता है यहाँ पर आपका नॉन पोसेशन. दैट मीन्स आपको कुछ भी मटीरियलिस्टिक चीजें पोसेस करके, ग्रैब करके नहीं रखनी है. यू हैव टू लर्न द आर्ट ऑफ लेटिंग गो, राइट? So here the correct answer is Jainism. It is one of the core beliefs. There are core beliefs. One of them is concept of universal soul that you have to remember. बुद्धिज्म की भी अगर बात करें तो बुद्धिज्म में दे आइडेंटिफाई द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ सोल बट दे डू नॉट एट्रीब्यूट इट टू इनएनिमेट ऑब्जेक्ट्स लाइक रॉक्स, रनिंग वाटर एटसेट्रा. ओके, सो दैट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. नाउ आगे बढ़ते हैं. Another important trick that you have to be, you have to make note of is old is gold rule. That means you have to identify the repeating theme in art and culture. For example, every year you will see in art and culture questions getting asked on Buddhism, Jainism, temple architecture, dance forms, bhakti movement saints और सूफी मूवमेंट सेंट्स. यहाँ पर सेंट्स पे एम्फोसिस है. सेंट्स के ऊपर निम्बारका, कबीरदास, काफी क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं, राइट? Now, another important aspect that we can see since 2022 is these kind of questions. That means आप देखोगे यहाँ पर that संगम पीरियड से काफी क्वेश्चंस बढ़ रहे हैं हर साल in UPSC prelims. संगम पीरियड is becoming you can say favorite of UPSC, we can say. ठीक है, ये फेवरेट हो रहा है. बट यहाँ पर एक ट्रिक है छोटा सा जो आपको थोड़ा सा याद रखना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन दिस क्वेश्चन इट वॉज आस्क्ड which one of the following explains the practice of Vatta Kirutal as mentioned in Sangam poems? Now, if they are saying mentioned in Sangam poems, that means they will be applied to the Tamil region, the Sangam region, right? अब इधर आप देखोगे when we talk about this particular question, it is a Tamil ritual. संगम पोएम में पाया गया है, ये एक तमिल रिचुअल है. फर्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट दैट वी हैव आइडेंटिफाइड. नाउ सेकंड इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट. Now here in this question, the correct answer is underline. It is D. D is the correct answer over here. Why? Because in Sangam poems, they talk about this ritual of fasting till death. Please write it down. They talk about this ritual of fasting till death. ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट रिचुअल है. जब भी एक राजा किसी बैटल में डिफीट हो जाता था, हार जाता था, तो वो सुसाइड कमिट कर लेता था. ठीक है, कैसे? अपने आप को भूखा रखकर. दे वुड नेवर टर्न देयर बैक इन बैटल. दे वुड फेस और मीट देयर डेथ facing the north. That is why it is called Vata Kirutal, facing the north. It was a practice, right? So this was done to avoid the humiliation of being captured by the enemy army and to preserve one's honor and prestige. That is why this kind of ritual was performed. ये काफी strong ritual है जो perform किया जाता था. Now another important point is कि आप संगम age को जब पढ़ते हो, when you study संगम age, you have to study different kind of rituals which were performed during संगम age by the kings. ये एक important hint दे रहा है यूपीएससी हमें. ठीक है. अब now the next important aspect, the keyword match trick. This is also important. अब यहां पर आप देखोगे, when we talk about this particular question, consider the following pairs. The name of the port is given, well known port. Now here you can see the question is again on the new pattern. Now when we talk about Kamarajar port, first major port in India registered as a company. Mundra port, largest privately owned port in India. Then we have the Vishakhapatnam port, largest container port. अब ये भी थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन हो जाता है, बिकॉज इट, अब देखो व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो, इस क्वेश्चन की भी जब हम बात कर रहे हैं ना, तो ये भी एक तरीके का ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन है. ठीक है. आई अंडरस्टैंड देयर आर सर्टन पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक्स और सर्टन पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चंस विच आर आस्क्ड इन यूपीएससी जो कि थोड़े से ऐसे लगते हैं कि कहाँ से पूछे गए, हमें समझ नहीं आता. ठीक है. बट व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट दिस पर्टिकुलर पोर्ट, इस पोर्ट की हम बात करें तो हम देखेंगे विशाखापट्टनम एंड मुंद्रा पोर्ट वर इन न्यूज, दे वर इन न्यूज. एंड स्पेसिफिकली अगर हम देखें द इंडियन एक्सप्रेस न्यूज़पेपर. So again it becomes important to have a keen eye on the newspaper. Now here the correct answer over here is B. Only two pairs are correct over here. Okay, first pair is correct and second pair is correct. Third pair is wrong. It is Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust. Okay, जो भारत का सबसे बड़ा you can say container port माना जाता है. It is not Vishakhapatnam port. All right, so again we have understood. रिवर्स इंजीनियरिंग करते हैं. हमने अभी तक क्या पढ़ा? व्हाट डिड वी स्टडी? दैट द बेसिक सोर्सेज आर द करंट अफेयर विच इज गेटिंग प्रोमिनेंस. करंट अफेयर प्रोमिनेंट हो रहा है अपना. ठीक है. व्हेन इट कम्स टू आर्ट एंड कल्चर, सेकेंड इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट दैट वी स्टडीड, बेसिक बुद्धिज्म एंड जैनिज्म. यू हैव टू स्टडी इट वेरी वेरी नाइसली. बुद्धिज्म जैनिज्म से क्वेश्चंस रिपीट होते हैं. Questions are repeating from these two particular topics in art and culture. Okay, third important aspect we noticed is कि डांस बेस्ड जो क्वेश्चंस हैं वो डिक्रीज हो रहे हैं. The dance based questions are decreasing. Up till 2015 dance based questions used to be high in question paper, but now they are decreasing. More and more questions are coming from these two aspects. All right, तो ये हमने अभी तक कंक्लूजन निकाला. So when we solve previous year questions, you don't have to just read the question, you have to understand the pattern कि questions आ कहाँ से रहे हैं, from where questions are getting asked, from where which topic or concept is getting more prioritized by UPSC, and we have to understand where conceptual, factual and applied technique is getting used. For example, the literary work and author wala question that we solved, it was a factual question. Without factual knowledge, you cannot solve this question. Then again, souls ka concept. If you have studied Jainism and Buddhism correctly, then you can apply the concept. Buddhism mein there is a concept of soul, but it does not apply to inanimate object. But in Jainism, it applies to both animate and inanimate objects. So conceptual clarity can help you solve this question. And applied knowledge is also important. Whenever you are in NCERT or in Tamil Nadu State Board books class 11th and 12th, you are studying about Sangam age, Vatta Kirutal, when you come across it, when you are studying about any ritual, so after studying a concept or topic, go through previous year questions and see if there is a question asked on that particular topic. For example, if I study a particular topic or concept, I'll go to Super Kalam on practice PYQ tool. I will select art and culture subject. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मान लो मैं इंडियन डांस मैंने पढ़ा, पेंटिंग्स पढ़ी, आई सेलेक्ट द कॉन्सेप्ट, आई क्लिक ऑन स्टार्ट प्रैक्टिस, see that there have been 8 questions in UPSC prelims which have been asked. For example, यहाँ पर मैं question solve कर रही हूँ, I can understand and I can see how others have answered this question. Majority students जो है B mark कर रहे थे जो गलत था. Then आगे बढ़ते हैं. यहाँ पर अगर आप देखोगे, so if this is wrong, you will see what is the correct answer. You will see why it is correct answer. Then आगे बढ़ते हैं. If you are studying this over here, you solve questions, you see where were your mistakes. आपकी गलतियां कहाँ हैं and आपका strength point कौन सा है. Whatever topic or concept you are studying, you practice questions on it so that you can see if you have understood the topic correctly or not. So after this class, you will receive a very important test from art and culture pyq. You have to solve them like we solved questions today in this class, and you have to share your scores in the comment section. You will find the test on both Telegram community and also in the comment section of this video. I hope you have understood the importance of art and culture today, everyone. आपने आर्ट एंड कल्चर की इंपॉर्टेंस समझी होगी, एंड यू विल अप्लाई दीज टेक्निक्स टू सॉल्व आर्ट एंड कल्चर बेस्ड PYQs.